Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, everyone? Today we're going to discuss some important points in this worksheet as preparing for the final exam semester 1 in grade 4. Here we start. The first part will be multiple choice. Question number 1. Which symbol goes in the circle to make the sentence true? Here we need to compare between these two numbers. This number is 324,589. This 304,000. So we compare from the left. This we have here in the 100,000, 3. Then in the 10,000, we have 2. So we start comparing from the left until the numbers are, or the digits are different. So this number, 324,000, is greater than this number. So we choose the answer B, because we are comparing. Which statement is true? 4,865 equal 4,863. This is wrong. 9,437 is greater than 12,920. This is wrong. 230 is greater than 980. This is wrong. 20,101 is greater than 20,101. But here we have 21,000. So this D is correct, because if you compare, here we have 2 and here we have 2 in the 10,000 place, and here we have 0 and here we have 1 in the 1,000 place. Hannah spent 678 on school supplies. What's the number rounded to the nearest 100? Now focus on this. Now we need to underline the rounding digit, which is 6. Now how we round? We look at the digit on the right, which is 7. So if this number on the right, if this digit on the right of the rounding digit is 5 or more, don't ignore, which means if it's 5 or more, we need to add 1 to the rounding digit. So the rounding digit becomes 7. So the answer will be 700. Or we can think about this question in different way. 600, because we are rounded to the hundreds, 678 is closer to 600, or 700 is closer to 700. So the answer is D. Around 89,000. 89,643 to the nearest 10,000. So, and question number 4, nearest 10,000. Here, ones digit, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. So this is the rounding digit. So I look at the digit on the right, which is 9. If the number on the right of the rounding digits is 5 or more, we need to add 1 to the rounding digit. So the rounding digit, which is 8, becomes 9. And all the digits on the right become zeros. So the answer will be 90,000. So the answer is B. Now we go to next question. Question number 5. A shipping company delivered 8,423 letters and 3,899 packages. How many total items did the company deliver altogether? Here he said the total items altogether. This means we need to add. We need to add. How we add the whole numbers? We write the digits up to each other, and we have to be careful about to line up the digits. 8,423 plus 3,899. So we need to add, so we need to start from the right. 3 plus 9 equals 12. We put 2 down and 1 up as regrouping. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 9 equals 12 again. 1 plus 4 equals 5 plus 8 equals 13. 1 plus 8 equals 9 plus 3, 12. So the answer is 12,322. So the answer is C. To subtract 241 minus 56 using mental math, a man subtract 241 minus 60 and got 181. What should he do next? Now he subtracted 241. He, instead of subtracting 56, he subtracted what? 60 to make it easier. Now what step should he do next? He decreased the subtracted one, 56. So when he subtract 60, he subtract more. So he need now to add 4. He need to add 4 to get the correct answer, because you have to be careful about this. Now here, if he add 4, here he should add 4. You have to think about it like this. If he add 4 to this one, he should add 4 to this one, or add 4 to the difference. So he subtracted 241, he make it minus 60 instead of minus 56. So he subtracted 4 more. So now he need to add 4 to the difference. When you subtract two numbers, the result you find is called what? The difference. The answer of subtraction is called what? Difference, as I mentioned before. Now we go to next question. Find the product. When you multiply two numbers, they have many zeros. We can ignore the zeros in the beginning. Now 9 multiply 5 equals 45, as you know. Now we count how many zeros we have here. We add the zeros. We add the zeros. We have 3 zeros here and 1 zero here. So we have 4 zeros. So the answer is 450,000. 450,000. A grocery store owner has 7 boxes of cookies. The box contains 40 biscuit bags. So we have 7 boxes. Each box has 40 bags. How many bags of biscuits does the grocery store owner have? So as you know, the multiplication is a repeated addition. So each box has 40 bags. So we can say 40 plus 40 plus 40 plus 40 plus 40. He wants the total. So 7 times 40. So we multiply them. 4 multiply 7 equals 28. And we bring the 0, it's 280. Find the product of 9 multiply 85. You may use area model if needed. Here, when we multiply 9 by 85, we can use the area model. 9 times 8 equals 72. And we put the 0 here. 9 multiply 5 equals 45. Now we add them, we get 765. Next question. Now we go next question. Question number 11. Find the product of 70 multiply 600. It's very easy. Just multiply the numbers and we ignore the zeros. 7 multiply 6 equals 42. By the way, guys, you need to multiply or to memorize the multiplication table. On my channel, you find many videos about how to master the multiplication table. Now we count how many zeros we have. 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros. So 42,000. Use patterns to find the quotient. Quotient means division. Now, when we divide two numbers, we ignore again the zeros, but we need to bring them at the end. 63 divide 9 equals 7. Here we have two zeros, we need to bring them. So the answer is 700. Next question. Multiply using partial products. Find the missing number. This is a very easy one. Now we multiply first 3 by 66, or here I think, and we multiply this, we consider 3, this 90. Now we multiply this we consider 6, and this 60. We need to multiply each one by the other. So 3 multiply 6 equals 18, and 3 multiply 60 equals 180. Now 9 multiply 6, 90 multiply 6 is 540. And 90 multiply 60, 5,400. Now we add them. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8, 8. 0 plus 4 plus 8 plus 1. 1 plus 8 equals 9 plus 4, 13. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 5, 10. Plus 1, 11. Now 1 plus 5 equals 6. We need to add them, not in this way, I'm sorry. We need to add all these numbers, not because this is not the formal way. Now we need to add them. So the missing number is 540 because 3 multiplied 6, 18. This is the missing number, 540. You have to focus on this, guys. Now, because 3 multiplied 6, it's here. And 3 multiplied 60 is 180 here. Now, 90 multiplied 60, 9 multiplied 6, 54, and we have two zeros here. And now we missed 90 multiplied 6. 9 times 6, 54. And we put a 0 because we have 90. Now, when we add them, let's make sure this is the answer. But let me make sure of this. Let me make sure of this. I think there's a mistake. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8, 8. 0 plus 4 plus 8 plus 1. 4 plus 8, 12 plus 1, 13. 1 plus 4 plus 5 equals 10. Plus 1 equals 11. And here we have 6. So this is the answer, but this should be 8. This should be 8. Question number 14. A fisherman packs 98 fish into boxes for the market. Each box takes 5 fish. How many boxes did he fill and how many fish were left in there? So he want to divide or share 98 fish and boxes. Each box will have 5 fish. So we need to divide 98 divide 5 to know the answer, and we know the remainder. 9 divide 5 equals 1. 1 multiply 5 equals 5. We subtract. We get here 4. Now we get 48. 48 divide 5 equals 9. 9 multiply 5 is 45. Subtract. We get 3. So he will need 19 boxes and the remainder will be 3 fish. 39 boxers participated in a competition. There are 3 boxing men in each team. How many teams are there in total? Now we need to know how many teams. We need to divide 39 by 3. Of course, 39 divided 3 equals 13. So we'll have 13 teams because he wants to divide the boxers or the boxing men into groups of 3. So we need to divide 39 by 3. Question number 2, complete each of the following statements. To find 60,000 divide 5, divide 60 by 5, then write how many zeros. Here I divide 60 by 5. So remaining we have 2 zeros, yes? Because I cannot divide 6 by 5, I take 60 divide 5. So the remaining zeros are 2 zeros at the end. To find 50, multiply 200, multiply 5 by 2, then write how many zeros? Here 1 0, and here we have 2, so 3 zeros. Now true, false questions. 743 rounded to the nearest tens is 730. Of course, it's false. It should be 740 or 750 because the rounding digit is the 4. We look at the digit on the right, it's 3. 3 will not because this 4 or less. So we don't add 1 to the rounding digit. So 4 will still will stay as 4. So the answer will be 740, not 730. So the answer is false. 90 multiply 80 equal 72,000. Of course, wrong because we have only 2 zeros. 4,900 divide 7 equals 700. Let me try. 49 divide 7 equals 7. We have 2 zeros. We need to bring 2 zeros. So the answer is true. 6,000 multiply 4 equals 24,000. 6 multiply 4, 24. Now we have to bring the zeros. 3 zeros, yes, true. Now 89,001 less than 89,001. So it's equal the number itself. So it is false. Part 3, work out the following neatly. Next question. Part 3, work out find the difference. Here it's organized already. 4 minus 5 we cannot. We take from the next zero all the zeros they cannot give us. So we take from the 8. 8 becomes what? 7. And this becomes 10. And we take 1 from 8, it becomes 9. This becomes 10. And we take 1 from 8, it becomes 9. This becomes 10. And we take 1 from 8, it becomes 9. And this becomes 14. 14 minus 5 equals 9. 9 minus 2 equals 7. 9 minus 3 equals 6. 9 minus 3 equals 6. 7 minus 2 equals 5. And 7 minus 5 equals 2. Find the product, use any strategy. Now the best way is to work it on it in formal way. Here I start by, okay, 89. And this 56. We multiply them. 6 multiply 9 equals 54. The 10's up and the one's down. 6 multiply 8 equals 48 plus 5, 53. Now we put 0 down, big fat 0. Now, and we erase this. Now 5 times 9, 45. We put 40 up and 5 down. Now 5 multiply 8, 40 plus 4, 44. Now we add these two numbers. 4 plus 0, 4. 3 plus 5 equals 8. 5 plus 4 equals 9. And we get the 4 down. So the answer is 4,984. That was everything about our video. If you like the video, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe my channel for more videos about math. Thank you very much. This my channel, Moath Aljebawi. Thank you very much.